So how are you supposed to know whether you should go back to court to enforce a problem with compliance with your parenting plan, or if you should let it go and try to be easygoing? I get this question every day. Nobody wants to let their co-parent get away with not following the court orders. But who wants all that drama? Not to mention the money that it takes to get a lawyer and get back into the court system. So I use a strictly coach approach to help people make this decision. Let me tell you who I am. I'm Amy Armstrong, and I coach angry, frustrated, and overwhelmed moms and dads who are struggling to co-parent, and they really want to get their time and energy back to enjoy their kids. Going back to court might be the best option for you if you need that kind of help to reset your dynamic. There's power there when you've got the court system behind you enforcing orders. The big issue comes is when going back to court creates more new problems than the ones you already have. So a coach approach does this. We take a look at the big picture vision. You've got to be able to claim your vision. What kind of life do you want to live? What kind of day do you want to have? And what do you want to have on your mind when you go to bed at night? Once you've got your vision established, lean into what you're really feeling in your body. Where's your energy? Where's the life? And where is there really a lot of heaviness? If you can manage to really enjoy your kids and your life without going back to court, I would say let's not make the court orders front and center. But if you've got undeniable heaviness, maybe even some disgust that you cannot let go of about your co-parent, and it's on your mind all the time, and you simply are not willing to live with the situation, then of course you're going to use whatever resources are at your disposal to see if you can make a change. I've just seen it happen many, many times that going back to court creates more drama than it's worth, because that court case is a way of telling the other parent that they're wrong. And believe me, they're not going to let you be right and them be wrong. They're going to come up with something to make you more wrong than they are. Are you with me? So let's do this. Let's agree that this requires a conversation, that there's a lot to it. I certainly would never give anybody legal advice, but I do want you to trust yourself and really be able to ask yourself a lot of hard questions before you automatically go back to court when there's a contempt issue on your case. These are very serious matters. Of course, you're going to get legal advice, but seek me out with the coach side of things to really help you lean in so that you can make decisions that are truly authentic and in the keeping with your interests, your vision, and what's best for your kids. Follow for more. DM me with your opinion. When do you go to court and when do you not?